Hello everyone, so if you want to fix your overheating issues on your Redmi Note 13, first of all, close all the applications which are running in the background. I don't have any, but if you have, do that because they could be the reason for your overheating. Now, open up your security application. Let's find it. It's right here. And press clean up. Now, clean up your cache. All right. Clean up your cache and your phone may start to work faster and better. It reduces the chances of overheating. Also, playing games during chart inputs that have a load on your phone's processor directly leading you to overheating. So if the device gets too hot, let it cool down before continuing. Now, turn off all of the unnecessary choices such as location, Bluetooth, mobile data, anything which you are not using. It can cause overheating, so simply turn it off. Also, open up your settings, search for location, open up your location. I'm sorry, that's another location right here, and make sure to turn off the setting because your use location setting works in the background and it may cause overheating sometimes. Also, don't forget to open up your about phone section. As you see, I have an update pending, so do your updates, update your phone because sometimes they fix the overheating issue. They can even do that. The next good thing to do is to remove your phone from the case. Also, avoiding using the device under the direct sunlight. Now, if you always have a problem, try restarting your device. So simply hold on your power button here at the bottom of your screen, choose reboot option. If it's still not helping you, you could do a factory reset, which I have a video on. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.